How to create Facebook page auto replies. First of all, open a Facebook, and if you're logged in with your Facebook account, you have to switch to your Facebook page. Now, once on your Facebook page, and if you're on your home page, now you have to get to your page profile. For that, click on this profile from this home page. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Here again, navigate to your left hand side. There is this menu bar. From here, click on this last option, that is Meta Business Suite. That will take you to next page. Now, to create auto replies, navigate to your left hand side and click on inbox. Now once you land in inbox page, again if you navigate to this menu bar on your right hand side at the top of this interface, there is an automation button. Click on it. Here you can find different types of automation suggested for you: instant reply, away message, identify unanswered message, custom keyword, contact information, and many more. Now if you like to try the instant reply, click on try it. Now here are a few settings that you have to save. First of all, it says where do you like to use this automation. So select the first option, or select the given option, that is Messenger. Scroll down a bit and it says when this happens, it says this page receives a message on a selected platform. Take this action, reply instantly to the customer. And this is the message that will reply automatically. If you like to customize it, you can add your text here. For that, click on personalize your message icon, and then you can personalize your message according to your preference. If you like to add first name of recipient, you can choose that, or last name. For example, let's select the first option, that is first name, and then click on add. Now here the first name is added here. Now once you're done, you can view your message preview right in this section. And if you like to save this, you have to click on save changes. After that, you can either turn on or turn off the toggle if you like to add the auto replies in your Facebook page. So this is the way to create Facebook page auto replies, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.